really was not really where I could end up because you had to stay objective.
Here at Crystal Bridges, we're doing Beyond the Lens, the teen mentorship program, with upwards of 1,000 teens. And what we're doing here is the teens get to see a sneak peek of the exhibition before it even opens, and they get to connect with the artist Annie Leibovitz.
I hope to get a good feel of photography and film photography, and I just feel like it's a really good skill to have moving forward in the future.
I realized I actually really enjoy this. I could possibly turn this into something real.
Getting to hear from somebody who's iconic and world-renowned and gets to share her experiences with the teens at the opening of her exhibition, Annie Leibovitz at Work. That is a huge deal, and it's really exciting for the teens.
So having someone who's that professional of a level, just really understand what it's like to do this as a career, do this as for the rest of your life, make this your legacy.
Now I understand that what you guys have is a project in which you're supposed to pick one portrait that answers a specific question: who we are.
So the last few months we've been working with local teenagers who are into photography and the arts and just need that extra boost of confidence or mentorship and direction of where they should go with their art.
It was very amazing to learn different techniques about photography and get to learn from local mentors. It was a really great experience.
So today's the kickoff of all of these photos that have been in the works, all these ideas, all these emotions, everything has been in the works for these months. They're all here on the wall behind us, like a culmination of all of this coming together. People, they're excited about it. These kids get to invite their families and their friends.
My photo, I wanted to do something that was more like Renaissance Sistine Chapel, like the lighting and coloring. I wanted it not to look like a picture, more so as a portrait.
It's really exciting. I love this place so much, and it's awesome to see something I created on the walls. There's something for everyone to look at, and it's really awesome.
What was the biggest thing you learned from doing the project?
Probably just you have so much creative liberty in photography. Nothing's wrong, nothing's right. It's just whatever you want to do.
What do you think of Crystal Bridges doing these kinds of programs?
Wonderful. It should. I'd do every single one if I could.
I love this age group. I just think that they're just an amazing source of looking into oneself, very intra, and I think a lot of them, the way that these photos came across and how they talked about it really got deep into their, soul and emotions, and I really enjoyed kind of bringing that out of them.